Get ready for the dictation. Start. Against the above mentioned judgment and order of the prescribed authority, the state filed an appeal under Section 13 of the Act 1960 before the District Judge Hardoi, which on account of the amendment made in the Act was transferred to the Court of Additional Commissioner Judicial, Lucknow Division, Lucknow, for hearing and decision. Learned Additional Commissioner Judicial, vide his impugned order dated 18/10/1994, had allowed the said appeal and set aside the order passed by the prescribed authority and ordered for declaration of surplus area 33 Bigha 8 Biswa 14.8 Biswansi in terms of irrigated land as was originally declared in adjudication proceedings pursuant to the notice dated 16/3/1974 issued to the late father of the petitioners. Learned Additional Commissioner allowed the appeal on the ground that since respondent number 3, that is, father of the petitioners, had claimed benefit of the said family settlement as being claimed by the petitioners, which was not accepted in the writ petition by this court, and therefore issuing fresh notice to the petitioners separately under Section 10(2) of the Act 1960 by the prescribed authority was illegal, and the prescribed authority had no jurisdiction to give different finding what was given by this court in respect of the family settlement. Mr. Muhammad Arif Khan, learned senior advocate assisted by Mr. Muhammad Aslam Khan, representing the petitioners, has submitted that the learned additional commissioner did not consider the merits of the case as was set up by the petitioners, nor did consider the provisions of Section 11 of the Act 1960. The learned additional commissioner had also not taken into consideration the judgment and order dated 16/11/1981 passed by the 4th additional judge Hardoi, which had attained finality between the parties inasmuch as the state authorities did not challenge the said judgment and order of the learned 4th additional judge Hardoi. Every tenure holder is entitled to get a separate notice under Section 10(2) of the Act 1960, and the prescribed authority is duty bound to issue such notice to each and every tenure holder and afford them proper and reasonable opportunity of producing their evidence before passing any order declaring any land as surplus in accordance with the provisions of Rule 10 of UP Imposition of Ceiling on Land Holdings Rules 1961. The learned additional commissioner had ignored the most important fact that on the application moved by the petitioners under Section 11(2) of the Act 1960, the prescribed authority had passed order dated 14/9/1981 rejected the petitioner's application, and it was only in appeal that the claim of the petitioners was accepted by the 4th additional judge and wide order dated 16/11/1981, and the appeal was allowed and the matter was remanded back with a direction to the prescribed authority for issuing separate notice to the petitioners who were recorded as co-tenure holders. On behalf of the petitioners, the learned senior advocate has further submitted that it was in compliance of the said order passed in appeal that the prescribed authority issued separate notice under Section 10(2) of the Act 1960 to the petitioners. Once the appellate authority had directed the prescribed authority to issue notice and decide the case in accordance with law, the observation of the learned additional commissioner judicial that since the proceedings in respect of the notice issued to father of the petitioners had attained finality up to the High Court, it was not open to the prescribed authority to give his finding regarding family settlement is wholly unjust and improper. The original memorandum of family settlement dated 9/11/1961 certified copies of plaint of regular suit numbers 70 of 1970 and 33 of 1971 were filed by the petitioners before the Munsif Hardoi, and the certified copy of the judgment and decrees dated 2/11/1970 and 9/8/1971 respectively in the said suits were brought on record by the petitioners. Besides above Khataunis showing names of the petitioners being recorded over the land which was allotted to them in different lots in the family settlement oblique arrangement were also brought on record. The copy of the registered tabdilat effecting the mutation in the names of the petitioners on the basis of the said family settlement was also filed. Stop.